Meaning of defamation.
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 Defamation. Defamation refers to the act of making false statements about an individual or group that harms their reputation or standing in society. This can be done through spoken or written words, pictures, or gestures. The result of defamation can be severe, as it can damage a person's reputation and lead to loss of employment, social isolation, or even physical harm. Defamation can also lead to legal consequences, as individuals or groups can sue for damages caused by false statements. In short, defamation can have significant and long-lasting effects on a person's life and well-being.